Hi there, students. Window dressing. Okay, this is a good idiom. I'm sure you've all been window shopping, where you go down the high street of a town and you look at all the things in the shop windows without the intention of buying everything. You look to see what you'd like to buy if you had the money. Yeah? Well, window dressing is the art of making these things look nice. Yeah? Is making a decorative display in a shop window. Yeah? Typically the shop window of a store, of a fashion shop or something like that. And that is what a window dresser does. He does, or she does, window dressing. Okay, but window dressing, we also use this word, this phrase, to mean to make something look good, to decorate something in order to give an attractive effect, and really to hide the more important and maybe less attractive aspects of something. So, for example, most of the things in the government's new set of policies are window dressing. They're things that will appeal to people and look really good, but they don't actually make any real difference. Okay, so it's doing something up, making it look more attractive, making it look more important than it is. Yeah, especially when you're hiding something that is not really ideal. So I don't know, many of these voluntary codes that industries use, maybe the insurance industry, these are window dressing. Yeah, it makes them look like they're fair and completely above board. Or maybe many of these green washes by oil companies. These are window dressing because in reality these companies are major polluters. Okay, so window dressing, making things look real good. Yeah, giving them a favourable spin, a favourable impression. So it's like a facade. Yeah, it's really a misrepresentation of something. Okay, these latest modifications to the website are just window dressing, and the website still has all of the same problems. I think many of these updates and revamps of programs, these are window dressing. They make something look nicer, it looks more attractive, but do they actually solve the real problems? Probably not. They use the phrase window dressing in the management of stock portfolios. This is stocks and shares. So a portfolio manager has people's money and he buys and sells shares. But at the end of the quarter, very often they undertake a bit of window dressing. They sell the stocks that have been going down and buy popular stocks that are going up. And like this, the portfolio looks very good. Yeah, it looks much better than it really is. Yeah, so maybe portfolio managers are famous for their end of quarter window dressing. Yeah, they're making it look good. Yeah, to be skillful but superficial in the presentation of something. I, let's see, I think if you give a speech looking very smart and elegant is part of the window dressing, because really the important thing is what you're going to say. So window dressing can be important and it can enhance the way something is received. Notice when we use window dressing like this is normally critical. Yeah, these new measures are just window dressing. I have a feeling that most of these security checks in airports are window dressing, so that governments and the airline industry look like they are doing something about problems, and they are getting people to feel safe, even if these aren't really, at the end of the day, very effective. So a pleasant and showy thing that gives a false appearance of an idea, of a policy, of a proposal. Yeah, and normally you use the window dressing to conceal real problems or the real unpleasant nature of something. Yeah, it's designed to make something seen in a good light. Effectively, it's misrepresentation. Yeah, it gives a favorable impression. Um, the yeah, when you get a brochure for something, this is full of window dressing. It makes the product look like the most fantastic thing you've ever seen. Yeah, but the reality you will learn when you actually buy the product. Okay, so in retail merchandise, window dressing, the design and display in shop windows, when you go down the high street and you go window shopping, you look at the ones with the best window dressing. Yeah, but at the end of the day, well, maybe clothes are window dressing. Yeah, they make you look very good and very elegant, but they probably don't say very much about a person's real character. Okay, let's look at formality. I think I'm going to give it 4.75 in formality. It's probably on the slightly informal side, but I'm certain you could use this in a semi-formal writing, in an essay, something like that. It would sound very good. And then, well, as to the origin, to dress, you dress to make something look good. You dress a salad, for example. Yeah, so you dress the window, you make it look nice and interesting. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, I was going to say the window. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Time to put the thumbnail on this. That's window dressing. Bye for now.